Hello everyone. Uh, Today we learn about how to we find a file, folder, or inside text, everything we want to find from our device. First, we can use find command. If I define that uh, type name, then uh, which file I want to find we are provide the name of file that I want to find. So for example, I want to search the file test.txt. Then enter, you can see there we can find in our device two test.txt file. One is present directory test.txt, and this one is on is tutorial directory. Then we can find also by extension. For example, we want to find all txt extension file. uh, we uh, we type asterisk. That's mean before .txt the name will be anything. That that's don't care what have. Just we focused on .txt file. Then enter. You can see the two files after txt. Then we can search again vnem extension file. Nothing have ls raw. We can find also raw file r a w. Then you can see investigation2.raw file showed because they are only on raw file. This is the way of finding a file. If we want to uh, uh, find a text inside a file, for example, here have test.txt file. If we want to find inside the text of the test.txt file, uh, we just use grep command. First type grep, then we type -i, then type the specific word what we want to search in the file. I want to search USA. Then which file? Then I want to uh, test.txt file. Then enter. You can see in the test.txt file have I love USA text, and I want to search only USA. That's why USA is red marked.